We should take those guys first.
He's his armor's knocked.
Oh, he's running.
There's guys up top also shooting at them.
He's peeking
Oh
again.
yeah, right in front of us. Down one.
His armor's knocked again.
Shit, I'm shooting.
Coming to help.
Is he dead? Nobody finished him. There's somebody down up there on my ping.
Down one guy. Team
Good
wipe.
shit. Oh, gas is here.
I'm moving. Oh, it's getting
Armor
tight.
plates?
We're fine. We're fine. I got armor plates. You
Call
need
out
them?
any extra ones?
Here.
Oh my
those
god.
two guys. We gotta finish those two guys below us, dude.
Dude, I'll throw an airstrike at them.
Do it. As you can. Toss it out on them. Even in their general.
I have no
vicinity.
idea how to use this. God damn it.
Just point and click with it.
Oh, so I have to see them. Okay.
Just any on the ground, anything. They're gonna
shit.
see you coming there, Jane.
Okay, I did it. I did it.
Get anybody with it? Is there an inside to this area?
I don't think so.
They were below us. Circle's coming in.
He's
Oh,
there,
they're in the parking lot. Parking lot. One's down. There's another one.
I don't know where. I don't know where.
Down.
Nice. Good work.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
This guy's nuts. Watch out for Cirque.
Yeah, I think they're on our right.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I hear them on our right. On our right, down the below. Oh, this is so lit.
Okay.
Yeah, I see them all. They're all in the house.
10 left.
Oh, down there. Oh, they're close.
Oh, he's so dead. There's another one.
Okay, we're like, okay, it's 4v4, no?
Yeah. 4v3 now. That's the
We got
last
the zone.
squad
We've got
down
the
there for
zone.
sure.
Hold the zone.
Yeah. We got the zone and the hill here.
This is we win this
Keep
100%.
Keep the high ground for now.
Yeah,
Keeping
just
it
stay
for
here.
as long
Just
as
stay
I
here.
can,
Just
yeah.
stay here. Don't peek. I'm gonna pull back a little bit.
Yeah, I think we should
Oh.
stay.
Shots over that way.
Watch the windows. That building. Knocked his armor.
Shooting from the windows?
Can you mark if you can see?
Yep.
I can't
They're running
see
left.
anything.
They're running left. Team wiped. Team wiped. Victory.
Oh my god, we fucking won.
Zero.
Woo!
Holy shit.
That was an amazing win.
Congrats, everybody. Good work.
We're all alive?
Yep. All alive.
Yeah.
Holy shit.